and tomorrow is Easter. So I think today we're gonna get all the food stuff ready for tomorrow. It's kind of sad because we're in lockdown and we can't like do our regular family stuff with everyone, but we're still alive and happy to be so. Stay home and stay safe, guys. So you know what time it is. Breakfast time. Let's go. Hi, cutie muffins. Hi, squishy baby. How you doing? Booga booga. Booga booga. Oh. Oh, these jealous faces. Jealous, 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 jealous. Oh. You're so sweet and lovable. Look at how you lie down. Get the head rub. Who likes it? Booga booga. Boogie boogie. So cute. Aww. So cute and lovable. Love them so much. Unconditional love. It's time for my yummy oat mixture. And remember, breakfast is very, very, very important. And if you have a heart healthy, nutritious and delicious breakfast, that could actually help you with weight management.
Excuse me, miss, are you currently dating someone? Yes, but they live in another nation. What nation? My imagination.
It's time to find my comfy spot and edit. Because guys, editing takes a while. I have to edit a water video as well as my vlog from yesterday. I'm just cleaning out the dog for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm breaking fast. And I'm so super excited because I finally get to eat meat and my favorite thing in the world. Curry duck and chocolate. Dark chocolate. Alright guys, my video vlog is uploaded on YouTube. Go check it out. And I also did something about water consumption. And you know it's on Facebook. You know where it is. The vlog is all about curbing those cravings. Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about walking and how long you should actually walk for on a daily basis. Because during this time, we are on lockdown, but that does not mean that you can't walk around. We can't go out in public spaces and walk, for example, like the park or savannah. If you have a treadmill, you could definitely use a treadmill as well. The aim is to completely avoid a sedentary lifestyle because a sedentary lifestyle increases your risk for chronic diseases. If you have one of these guys, it does track your steps. You can also download something on your phone app, but remember every time you move your phone, it will count as a step. And according to the CDC, you should take 10,000 steps daily. Or you can average that between 20 to 35 minutes walking every day. Walking is great for your heart. It helps to keep your weight under control. Definitely helps with flexibility and toning those muscles, depression and fatigue because it helps to release endorphins and it makes you feel happy. It is proven that if you walk every day, your risk for heart disease drops. You honestly don't have to do anything strenuous. Just keep at the pace that you're comfortable with, but make sure that you walk every day and you reduce the time that you spend sitting down. And during this lockdown period, it is easy to sit down all day. So get up and get moving, guys. My squishy baby is so cute. Wait for it. Go. And you can also walk in the grass because that's great for relaxing. Chicken, what's up? Nice, booga booga booga. Oh, what are you doing? Hey! We're going to the chicken. Checking on the plum. One is turning really red. Ooh. Look at my two cutie muffins. You're so sweet and lovable. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Oh! Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Blah, blah, blah. Definitely go outside for a walk, guys. Taking this beautiful day. Can I have the bowl? pretty. I love ladybugs. Is ladybugs? Ladybugs.
Ladybirds.
So pretty. Whoa. What do you guys call them? Ladybirds or ladybugs?
One act of recklessness is what will cripple our healthcare system.
It was a larger number than one per geographic area. It was usually.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well. Remember guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.